How many times it has happened with you that your safari starts with one subject and almost a week later it ends with the same set of subjects. This time in Madikwe, we spent our first day evening with these lion cubs, and again 6 days later on our last morning safari we were in front of them. Watching them play fight was a joyous experience. And we were also surprised to see them mocking a hunt. Welcome to Madikwe, South Africa's hidden gem and one of my favorite places to shoot wild scape. Some of my award-winning images comes from Madikwe. This was my 7th visit to Madikwe. We stayed at an exclusive, luxurious martel lodge. Perfectly located at the base of an inselberg, Martel Lodge provided perfect base for our photographic safari. Even without going on a safari, we had a privilege of watching wildlife up close right in front of our lodge. Watch the full video of Martel Lodge if you are interested by clicking on this link. Madikwe, as usual, delivered this time as well. Watch the highlights of this year's safari and stick to the end of this video to see my 5 favorite images shot this time in Madikwe. As far as spatial sighting of elusive creature is concerned, we saw black rhino, brown hyena and wild dogs this time. We also spent some quality and exclusive time with cheetah brothers. These cheetah brothers are lineage of Pinda brothers, a famous cheetah brother coalition which ruled Madikwe till 2023. I was lucky to have seen and photographed them from 2018 through 2023. We also got lucky with another cheetah on a kill. Meeting pair of lions was another attraction. And they provided beautiful images under perfect lighting condition. This time, leopard gave us a miss. We did see it, but by the time we were ready with our camera, it descended from the tree and vanished in the bushes. Madikwe has a healthy population of elephants and rhino. In fact, it is now more than its carrying capacity. If you want a guaranteed rhino sighting, come to Madikwe. Madikwe is also a birder's paradise. More than 350 species of birds are recorded here. We saw many birds, including this kestrel. And how can I forget the rich biodiversity of antelopes and that cute hyena baby sighting. Magic of Madikwe is not only in its day safari, but even night safari is as rewarding. And that is not all. In Madikwe, your safari doesn't end even when you come to the lodge. Water hole in front of the lodge kept our shutter busy as nighttime visitors arrived to quench their thirst. Our bush breakfast and lunch was the time to interact and make some memories. Our guides would share their knowledge and the history of Madikwe.
You've got Afrikaans, you've got English in Northwest. Yeah, but the main here is Botswana, and Botswanas are different, and they are different in terms of culture and tradition, but they are all from one person.
Madikwe, no doubt, is South Africa's best kept safari secret. It provides a perfect blend of adventure and elegance. Located at Botswana border, Madikwe is easily accessible from Johannesburg either by road or by air. Hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if possible, share it with your friends and relatives. Before you leave, watch my 5 favorite images in no particular order. And if these images inspires you, then why not visit with me? Madikwe in August 2026. Link is in the description.